What's up guys, and welcome to Titan Trading channel. Here in this channel we'll be talking about trading and investing in the Malaysian stock market. We'll be looking at technical charts to see what's actually going on for a particular stock, and I'll be sharing my personal opinion based on my knowledge of technical analysis as a full-time trader. Before we begin in this video, do give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you find our information helpful. If you have any questions, do feel free to leave a comment down below so we can discuss about it. Just a disclaimer, everything shared on this channel is purely my personal opinion and is done for educational purposes only. I will not give buy and sell calls, and please do not treat anything I say as buy and sell calls. If you wish to be a successful and profitable trader, you must be able to conduct your own research and come up with your own decision, especially when executing your trades. Okay, so in this video, we'll be following up on EWEIN BHD, right, that I've been talking about over the past few weeks. Now, if we start off from the daily chart, it's actually slowing down already over the past 1 or 2 weeks, ever since it reached its peak around the 61 cents level. And on the daily chart, you actually see like candlesticks like this, right, which could signify, right, to some of you, at first glance, some sort of weakness that's going on. Okay, so now today we'll cover exactly what's actually going on here by zooming into the hourly charts. But on the daily chart, it's not really looking that great for now, because it has been selling continuously over the past week already, and with this kind of sort of weeks that are going on between the daily charts, it could be some sign of weakness or distribution that is going on. All right, because after all, the stock had already rallied from 35 cents, which is more than 70% already over the past 1 month. Okay, no, actually over the past 1 month. Okay, that's quite fast. All right, so now let's zoom into the hourly charts to see what's actually going on. Now, hourly chart. Okay, now let me pull my Fibo tool. Now plot my support and resistance. Okay, now if you noticed, right, or if you watched my earlier videos, it actually broke out earlier from this level. Okay, let me draw this. It actually broke out strong from this resistance level, right, the 55 cent level, and rallied all the way towards 60 cents. And since then, it had been retracing. Okay, now actually, the fact that it's been able to hold above the 55 cent support is actually a pretty good sign here. And yes, of course, it's some kind of weakness, but it also could be entering into a minor consolidation phase, right, where stock consolidates for a short while before deciding its next direction. For now, seems like the 55 to 57 cent support is holding quite well, where previously it served as a major resistance here and here, right, and on 2nd week of February it managed to break out strong, right, but it wasn't able to break out strongly above the 60 cents level. For now, it's holding quite well above the 55 cents level, but it could be entering into a range pattern with something like this: bounce back towards 60 cents and then retrace back, bounce back, up, 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 down. Well, this is what we call a range pattern, or we can also call it that. We can also say that the stock is entering into a minor sideways consolidation phase. All right, now consolidation phases could be a sign of weakness, or it also could be another wave of collection that's going on. All right, so it's hard to tell for now, because on the daily chart, actually, if we look at the volume, every time when it retraces, the volume is quite low, right? The volume is quite low when it retraces. So overall, it could still be on a low volume pullback. And for now, I do expect the 55 cents support to hold and perhaps rebound back towards 60 cents. But I won't be expecting much unless, you know, it breaks out strong from this level, the 61 cents resistance. Now, of course, if the trend is weak, if the stock is weak, it could, you know, retrace back below the 55 cents support to test the 50 cents support level, right, around here. That is what could happen as well. And do bear in mind, the market sentiment over the past week has been quite terrible, with Dow Jones retracing quite a bit. And for EWEIN, it's actually relatively speaking compared to the other stocks, it's actually holding its ground quite well already, because there were quite a few stocks that retraced like more than 10% over the past few days, but EWEIN is actually still within like the 5 to 8% region. So for now, looking quite strong here. either it would hold the support and bounce back up, right? If it breaks up from the 60 cents level, then it could continue. Otherwise, it could just go sideways like that. Or it could break down from the 55 cent support to test the 50 cents support level. Alright, so that's what I'm seeing now for EWEIN. But overall, I think looking quite healthy here lah. At least it's not a parabolic rally where we cannot monitor for any pullbacks and major support levels and resistance for an entry. Alright, so yep, that's it for tonight's video. Do give us a like, subscribe to our channel, and share our video if you find our information helpful. And yep, good luck trading.